Approximately 9:52 this morning, we received 911 calls about a tree limb that had crushed a car in the parking lot at 185 Pequot Avenue. Subsequent 911 calls came in about the operator possibly having a neck injury in the vehicle. Emergency service arrived on scene. They found a large tree uprooted at 185 Pequot in the back. Fire emergency arrived. They stabilized the tree with blocks. They started using a chainsaw to cut away limbs. They were able to assess the operator of the vehicle. Looks like he expired at the scene from injuries probably sustained when the roof of the car was crushed by the tree. A rear passenger is extricated and transported to the hospital with injuries. Also down on Pequot Avenue behind me, as you see, there's a number of large trees with some branches that snapped off and are obstructing the roadway at the present time.